But challenges in everything that you do, even with gang, there's a lot of challenges. But entertainment is so big. Me achel, keep my mode of payment. These are the things what you are doing, we're changing these things by force is me and cash. Because there's a time we are paying one cash, you see. There's only one MCs. This issue, when you go for events of 10,000, 50,000, did 100,000. Tell me, when are you going to grow? On the events you're going, how much you put to do that? You're going to put your energy. I remember MC, kai events chalo menyom gini, ichako cha BTL. The whole day is on you, and you allowed yourself to be paid 50,000. La wege bibine chulo million a day for only 30 minutes. So me and cash change the scenario in place. If you need silver, you need lucky, this is my take. If you love it, kape well baby. Because at the end, Ibi cherry no gina wele yot and you get disappointed.
Yes.
I thought I can't win lock pajone. I would not be wrongly. So that's one of the greatest challenge what you kid make a chulo MCs frustrate. Maka chu you pay you cannot take long in this game for even 5 years. Because one machalo MCs okay Joamago Chago the event issues me MCing. I think no you will only this thing can bring them money. Perception, man, no, you want just to hold the mic and just know you are MC like you don't pay thing expecting give more you paying you give more
exactly.
So that's a privilege that we have. So you because pay manipulating in you know what you wanted. Now challenges Mario and Apo dreadful. Tribalism. I remember one day, what die look in a trina can bear me witness. What die look at the link, Maggie Keruka Chokeo. Nay, I don't want to mention the name of the person who I lucky in the meeting, but Anna Winyo, Trina Winyo, Cash Winyo, Fabulous Winyo. Actually, Karen Fabulous no take event more can good. If you remember, Fabulous when we were hosting any events. Because Garma Achelo is a promoter. Nay, one let Acholi would do meaningful. Where could be the language dominating entire events? Imagine that. A corporate events, no MC line at hosting. It shows my eye Kampala, maybe no capital gain line at hosting. A word Matia Bino any no my word any line at hosting. Che a ling. American, I think this person doesn't know what he's talking about. Because one year poor me and were hosting. Enter Joma will events. No, they want to because long part of being performing. Not with event new part can bring for him money.
Yes.
You don't just from the blue. Che kwayo opera Morris. God forbid don't get a quarter on pay. New being events and you expect money. So by the time you do own one lie at hosting, no, I think you have common sense reasoning. Why? Sure. Okay, no and again no mera pen wegini pengulangu dominating.
That would be the question there. Pengo again.
Eh, in a chat die will it actually word ni un mouti emsing. Pengo where it language dominating. So, and Machala, and I didn't respond to it. I even told Fabulous, okay, Fabulous, okay, and Mary is too emotional.
Too emotional.
Okay, yeah, and a lot of, and can you actually try with anybody? He doesn't want to talk about it. Because why do you, this game is for everybody. As long as you have the talent. Yeah. So, that was another greatest challenge into this game. Then, another thing is pride.
I'm a date.
Tamani, you're already there. You want to be recognized that you're the only person. Yeah, you know, sometimes when Jomo introduce themselves, I'm the biggest MC in Northern Uganda. I'm the biggest artist. You know. Okay, Kachalo an ma kwano ki pero ni angeo what can make somebody be big. It is big fine. It is buru kwen, it is buru orapa, it is buru oti. Are you no longer using border? Because what can no mai rawachi mani MC well kumberati okay and did in anybody silver it is you not to tell me that it's not me to tell me ni ana did it is you silver to wine and please lucky if to give ranking please you big because then a lot of things is my personal family better perform in man war and man chokona choni down on your mail into the church. That is a respect number one man it be me a first general. Two in this is a person meti gange. Yeah, he is paying school fees no and when he go to any events late and daily so there you can now credit somebody okay this person is big no. So and then the luara mukene sometimes ruenyo cha actually can you tell me advising and ni the person what you doing I think pobo weho kama joma go yene so become a problem
Gekejo
it become a problem
atam no ngatabe enel ni anyime pere
no because tamni do he has already made it let be yet but then tamni ka de why you come that is though that thing will don't be naira silver now but don't joke with silver
wow
you know another challenge totally we that have made it in the entertainment anyera yelo wametao
lokti kanyo
imagine
how you manage
imagine and I got wedded in 2012 young as I got wedded in 2012 and remember standing in front of millions of people and across Uganda I do events in Tororo, Mbale, Kampala, everywhere, Arua. So imagine you going to entertain people. I remember I don't know Pangyo ko berti jok mo mati medore good and get connected to the entertainers. Yeah? There's a way man some of them even force themselves to be where you are.
Yeah?
You know. So kai iningat maperiak we karo jo ka lage maro mon ko ngo pe ngeo ne ante win mama pat kai me lo lwen take na ni la mon ni ti choka be chok we meto be close to that person po butimi gigi mo you know so I'm gina na tema era well 80% pa joma mina business ke joma gather in chok we bela nyera you know why those people don't joke with them they can even bring you down if you joke. Take the time many tele creatures make lonely money. You're not there. You know
because take it personal.
Big chawa. La cho kimi kia because the match la cho tana. There's nothing I can get from me. Eromon they are everywhere. Your jock be no monty ye can niche do no monty ye in club monty ye that always number one in everything they do. So taking in care of mono ber chok ngiri. You get to know. Okay, I don't know now. Ngo we dan mon why ni entertainers mar mon to twal. I get to know it. So, owero kapechunyi tech, you cannot remain in this game and you last long for it. You not.
Wow.
And kapechunyi tech, you not get married like me I did it. Petchunyi tech pay them because my child be channel money every day.
Every day, yes.
Every day. So you need to first gain your confidence. If bed kicking a child, I know what I want. The time to be for this, then you not be there. So how are you going to get ready for living the entertainment? Then start to begin like a family.
And no. Wow, istika na Delight Media, TikTok, YouTube channel, atiki MC. Like for take waranyima, of course you want me the decks and the mics behind the decks and the mics. Kama no warwa take MCs, DJs. Agi wachi wango mano team making a curtain. PNJ maduampi waneno. It's true like iwaju gino money ma Danu always take it jokingly. Atiki bossa chono wachani. Ikwani nuduju add value to yourself. Gina widano wila eno add value to yourself. Kai meru value ni where will libene birma mede.
Yeah.
But believe me, mwara, you are the same person. Iromo noni the same attire michero katika ikige yub kamon katika nemikele all over the events. That's one. Aya, kama nukikanku. How is your friendship kidano? Believe me, Lucky, if you grade yourself to that highest you guys have done. You know muchunga mon watch ngatumo enerva anka million chel peraj and pabitiyu.
Yeah, simple like
hey, pabitiyu. No, you are right. In ngatumani madu over me billboard ngatumani we kutiboreni no inyangi ngat en wrong team tichi dotingo tie iwe atiti ngatama tina marudong ngarati maru. So there is no need of indo macha wachini wali million achel kuru John gitima di piara bero do. So in macharo dana mere adding value mamegi ngomi meru ikomi maweru weli mede malu
mabe you deserve it.
Exactly. I always tell people Lucky, you know I'm a voice over. Dano at times ngatumoni binwa ni jan temwa advert money enemy. Wa advert en abiti melu mi achere PRB. Kunjon gitima ni PRD pabi
pingo pechar.
Ngawa ni it's okay gitima ni PRD tamo ni pa kwer but ke chet kong chete mi kuno ba mega gere temu kama enemy. People will start always comparing you. They will start comparing, but the fact is that you have already T level money malu. So gin moki can my temo atamoni betwal in any yield level ni malu. Yes, maybe Lucky as we close ngeni ni doju there's people kanyuma gwa gimero beru MC ngatumono mero beru MC tijomagi admiring in bene and then into the industry. I don't know what you guys have done. Do you have like an association machamu kano beru uloho pien beru kanano these baganda MCs they have an association maribugen enini polkare they sit together and gitiye kile magitiyu kere kache waketi la kucheruka yub kamoni mautiyu kile mapupore. It is always that association maluo Lucky giloro kere they try to win gini beru kaman. They have people magu disowning off from the association by the way and atirane unmumar timu yub menyomi because mamegini aneno it is attached to the kabaka kind of game Buganda Mainoni they do something so you watching culture pian by the you are representative of the Acholi culture kama can michere katim kagil waiting allow you must understand the culture palau kong mabe you already there ngatu mo can gilwoi Acholi understand culture money jomoni ngoma getimu so that when you're talking tika lori perspective money chani do you guys have something like an association? Do you guys sit you talk, maybe you try to harmonize Jamie Mogo may yield the industry to make the industry be strong so that Joma Binu iteti enu diri maja ginoni yes we have set goals don't get here.
First of all me achel kiri winya wayo kene wanak wanak kidong Mario igina mna wayo yoni people mistaking comedians ki mixing comedians ki TikTokers ki MCs pedano ngeyo poko gina yoni Cash can bear me witness. Cash karamachaho corporate events sometimes call me ni obo jalwe kini achaho ni inana because me achel no gere is kuone he loves and love comedy. No, he's not attached to the corporate events. So, obedo kichunywe merni wafonye wa team kachel. So, maybe in the association, it is very hard in a small entities, chalo MCs or your DJs to build association. Ikarimone wa yab association and kikasa chele. We initiating we wanted to contact all the MCs matie in Northern Uganda. We the Golden Peace. The meeting, the Komogo actually in the meeting itself, what now? Let's start from here. By the time Magua campaign we have the association, we registered and see what can be done. Surprisingly, among some people, Ma claims to be an IMC, which they are not the MCs, they are entertainers. Chawai want to charoka kachaka kenyenge. So we are team associating the people like Kita Eneni. It is very hard because some of them. Penyo their calls. Your calls is different.
Yeah.
You cannot force two things to happen. In you a dancer, it is going to be very hard for you. Maybe the way Erka ini tiki talent zene wente talent me bere dansa kiwe wa ko jana challenge ki tek mapelare. So person like Cash is a comedian, is an MC. So it is very hard for you every time you will do the same thing MC like is a comedian, is an MC. You will never get me in an event. You will never see me with the same design on events. You not. Because I know where I'm going and I know what I want. Most of people say that we are expensive. Fine. Because you events before you said I'm expensive. You didn't know. So I'm mera Lego Omegana Kachel Kilo Megana Mathieu MC's department ni. Please let not lose focus. Polwa we are diverted to Kwan, we are diverted to Lokmemon, we are diverted to Lokmecho, yet unungoni goals is different. You know. Gina wana mer be wa knock mama no yot meto. Because kan wando what team agreeing ekin wanijal. Silver, this is our tech. Kay mir ni abini nyoma chuli mamigi chilling matine mamiro kibore is million a chel. Ibi luo lucky watch 2 million. Ilu cash be watch $1 million a day. Ibi luo fablo watch $1 million a bit. Chi wang meri do about silver. That means kinwani when no ngarmo mo losing business pay. Ero ka silver wa yali pierio ana wa $1 million a chel. Gibine and we and charity bala. Kirene wa gene wa ka silver route mna li pierio yinde ka $1 million a chel ngo ebi na ka temo ebi wor ko kolo ni wenga birate tansi. You know,
it's true.
So it's just a mindset. Gimoma lock. And trust me, I'm working hard on these things. Actually, one of the common agenda of 2026 my fellow MCs. You cannot put a price tag into yourself. Yeah? You cannot get somebody who can manage you, who can control you. Remember, you remain where you are.
Very true.
And penny guagati ati wishing armo right. But kaini kwere lokana de wajeni, you'll remain where you are. Ibi bera gaka club MCing magichula lipiera deck alipiera beach chutu meno. Yet people are getting 5 million, 2 million in just only one Saturday. So supposing anything do a chel wa bedoki weekend and when. Kai ini weekend and when no chilling. Kari chilling ali mia bija kan. Pay round down any. In meet you just go for showbiz. They want to see you that at a big stage. You're paid only 50,000.
Wow.
You rather not be on that stage when you have a lot of money. And people, your man, anybody, they will look for you.
They look for you for what you do.
In your time, I went around going to being in your panyara. So you expect me to about your time, chola chilling ali pierre beach, you chola well my can because I teach you no, cannot happen. By the time I not identifying Annie, knew what I can do. Actually, in your panyare, doctor, you make Latin per general. So you expect me and Milwang give more I can and come and do a lot of mess in front of people.
And you guys, utamu nino Jomaluo ni pegingeo ni ngatiromo timo gimoni ngatiromo recommending ngatumo.
Exactly. So those are the things man lego mero migi nane mwa ene ne wa ginamo wati yeni pengar mo bital beretala gejing karma wano donyo in this game Juma Jamegi this guy Joka Gi
yes
MC Rock Gi big good journey.
It's very true.
I was in Sina too. Joka ko donyo radio can kill mon wa dekeno
Dekwang.
Yes. Now where is he? Because me achel pego tamo gina wano tia tamne kumberni. Pego tamne give things bukelo gina around la kuoni and we family ber mabe. So ka wano tamne merwa better tell American wa talking hill about one another, yeah. Ka Silva is not there. You will say why I don't have his number on my phone. I don't even have time for him. No. People because I thought one machala MC is no do repedo. But I'm surprised why he pay work in Namachimangare. Yet you know any better than Namachime.
Imagine.
Yeah. So Gilen Popotero Kamo because at the end one woman walk and obey money. We also want to be driving like other artists are driving. Yeah. We also have even good houses like other people are doing. Okay, kano wano kade kini na chela kena jal ludiro wa kunumene wanbo watiyo mata. Petty functions more mabedo ma MC pay. Yeah.
Pelare.
Even the president himself, the president of the Republic of Uganda cannot talk. Even program controller did not invite him.
It's true.
So why do you think we undermine ourselves? Ni wando utege mama tijope. Nothing can happen. They say Speaker of Parliament. Speaker is an MC. Yes, he's a master of the ceremony. He's a program director. He's the one to decide, okay, do what you choka chani, honorable ngani biniloge. He's an MC. He's a master of that ceremony at that time. He's a director of that program at that time.
That's why I watch Danny. An MC kade pound and pay pound and a pound. You have given him the authority. Make him give more he can at that function. Yes, you can. Where when teaching and you have given him actually the authority. After matek na machimi kawa African pianangeni in case of business do amuka no mero kubekeri not only business but no mero consultation.
Mera 4 to 12 jo matana no wa ka chege wenyo wa bera mera 4 is silver na honestly pama chali interviews madwong because Marcel, I don't want you to call me for an interview for the beef. It's not one of the caliber of Marty Kwere. And I will remain like that. I'd rather not be on social media because I don't want to be on social media because supposing I don't look me at the end can no need Johnny Cara, they know what they want. So I need a log money pap either let's go on your can but holding an so don't call me for an interview or issue pangarman. Hey, kona win luwe another gun telling what is you take MC's another poripe kinu what don't I will not
fortunately Delight Multimedia manga wako wazi is to promote peace. Ginumo makero apara kendano kichiri neno on our channel Jamie Mumo we are not involved into controversials by the way. No, we don't. Ginama watimu ye how can we bring peace?
That is it.
Kekeneno.
So I don't know number na akai merni gwa kwa team business. I do corporate events, I do clubbing, I do birthday parties, do introductions, wedding, anything. Okay, be round luanga gang me wakana ba yo meri ye kan no gwa madam test facing ayo meri RP lo kat kenya be ga lo kat kenya be karo kat no wa yin go baby believe I karo ma yin be wa aja de karo na way. So now anati no tabira bora rio abichel abichel rio on 0782 67762. TikTok account the same name MC Lucky Boy, WhatsApp MC Lucky Boy, Instagram, Twitter the same account. So please, Delight Entertainment and Medias, please thank you for giving me this privilege. We made you want to celebrate because okay, I don't think I don't like bragging a lot. This time I will Dubai. No. Because anything that concerns family is confidential, you know.
Apart from the wedding, but very public.
Yes, it's normal. People need to know. Unfortunately, I'm doctor. We have problem with that. I think kind of that person is
again.
Let me be there. They just want to know any girlfriend bangari don't love.
After matek me honoring our invite kibel kedwa nyiglo mo lo kanyi pol kala leguni kulokwo bene wele kwa nyigi no mo maramu dongo in on this show ulo jami madwong full makati ada in the windlock nyo ngata tamuni yitika fall in the same direction olu nyiglo ka chela ria dek mo ibi kwani makai care teach Kuono biloke. Wabigi kan, wabi mede da reini mukene, da dicha wa moi ken, waramu da gluongi kagi moi ken tie, funo wabi mede kinywa, wabi mede fot kinywa kuendo ka chele ni kan. Alright, konkamanu, charati ilupko wa social media handles. I've been tagging Bene is on this interview, where Ben unen following en ki jemi ne mukene, matika timune, where ungeni ya, karangomu beru ka watu neni, to beru ka loga jemi ne titich. Konkamanu.
Thanks.